Welcome to jQuery video series, and this is part 119, and today we're going to discuss the hide function. As the name suggests, we're going to hide something. So before I begin, I'm assuming that you're having a jQuery file into your project. You have also added the reference of that into your head section, and you have written some basic JavaScript code in order to execute our jQuery instruction. Alright, so before we proceed, let's check the markup. So what I have here is one h2 tag, one h2 tag. I got one div element. Within that I got two paragraphs, and I got one button. Nothing fancy here, only three elements. So let's do a quick browsing. So you can see h2, two paragraphs surrounded by one div and the hide me button. By the way, this blue border is coming because of class blue and the CSS. All right. So what my plan is, when someone clicks on this element, I want to make this div disappear. So we are going to use the hide function for that, and we're going to do that using a jQuery. So if you look at this button, what I've done is I've written a click event on this, that if someone clicks on this button, which is right here, if someone clicks on that, then perform the execution, then hide someone using a hide function. So what hide function tells you that I will hide anything you ask me. You specify what element you want to hide right here. So I'm saying pound div blue, which is an ID of this div element, right? So when I'm going to click this button, it's going to hide this div, right? So let's see that in action. Let me save and let me do the refresh. So if I click the hide me button now, it's gone, right? But it was pretty fast. If I click it goes away, but we do understand how hide works, right? So now if I come here and if I do this, now if you have seen my previous video, then you understand where I'm getting at. All right, so what I'm doing over here is when I click on hide me, it goes pretty slow, right? So it is hiding an object, but it's taking some time. So basically I have introduced a delay of milliseconds here. If you want to enjoy the animation for more time, so you can increase the delay. All right, so if I do like this, if I can go like this, so it will make that thing go away. And for more fun, I can make disappear h2 as well, right? So let me do the refresh again. So this time both the elements will go away, only the button will stay. Lovely. Okay, so now we have a fair understanding of using a hide element or hide function as well. Up next, we're going to start with the toggle function. So once again, thank you for your time on this, and thank you for listening to me. Good night and take care.